Welcome to KrispCall. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of adding new members to your KrispCall Workspace. To begin, make sure you have an admin or owner account logged in. First, log into your KrispCall account and access your Workspace dashboard. Once you're in, you have two options. Either click on the plus button in the Members list to add directly from the menu, or go to Settings and click on Members under Workspace. Next, click on the Add New Member on the top right corner. A pop-up window will appear with an Invite Member message along with the recurring charge information. Then, type in a valid email address of the member you want to add. Choose an appropriate role, member or admin, tick on the I acknowledge box, and then click Send. Once the invitation has been sent, its status is displayed under Pending Invitations. Next, members simply check their email, click the invitation link, and follow the steps to set up their KrispCall account. This gives them access to the KrispCall Workspace dashboard. When an invitation is accepted, your members will be displayed under Members, along with their assigned roles. Also, as admins, you can even change a member's role or remove them by simply clicking on the ellipsis icon. Admins can't remove or change an owner's role. Furthermore, adding a new member also depends on the subscription package you have purchased. So, visit krispcall.com/pricing to learn more. Members can now claim a free phone number from the US, UK, or Canada. To do so, simply click the Purchase Number button on the left-hand window. Select your desired number, add it to the cart, and click Purchase. As an admin or owner, you can also share existing numbers from the My Numbers section. Select the desired phone number, scroll down to Share Access, click on Add User, and then enter or select their username. Click on Share. Once you've done this, the purchased or assigned number will appear in their workspace. That's all there is to adding members in just a few minutes. Adding members distributes calls for a better experience. It also enables direct customer interactions for improved first call resolutions. Contact our chat support for more information.